So day 19 for the coronavirus lockdown. I've put a coat of fiberglass over this. Just moved the engine out of the way to work on the ducting. Took ages for this to set, but finally it's set. A couple of air bubbles, but I'll reason those. Got some industrial primer on the floor to seal the old plywood. And this fiberglass is set. And then I'll put another coating on the step. Done this coat of fiberglass on this corner piece. And this one. Might have to put a wee bit more on here. But I gave it a bit of a higher dosage of hardener because it wasn't setting with the cold temperature. Tonight I plan to put the other corner piece under here and the cab, and then tomorrow I'll get the floor laid in, and then almost ready to lift it and do some fiberglassing underneath. And finish the ducting on that side and glass those wedges down the bottom. Just been fixing up one of these rollers with some fiberglass bog. So I'll file that up once it's dry, back to shape. Get another turn out of it. So coming together. Might be back at work in a week, hopefully not. But definitely made a decent dent in the repairs that this thing needed. Have it on the water a lot sooner than I anticipated.